Dear students, now today's our regular period is from home. Now in the corona period, this is called as the work from the home. So today we are conducting our period, and for today's period, the students, those who are given their presentee, they are the Aisha Sheikh, Pratiksha Chauhan, Sunita Sabde, Subhangi Eksinge, Vaishnavi Chauhan, Mohan Kale, Ashutosh Devkar, Sneha Kalyane, Vrindavani Thomre, Jayashri Ratkar, Sagar Thorwat, Sanjay Wani, Shubhangi Shirsagar, and Pooja Kande. So here only 14 students are given their presentee for the period. So today's our period is on food chain, then food web, then ecological pyramids and energy flow in the ecosystem. So today we will discuss on these points. These are the small bits given in your syllabus. So first we will discuss here the food chains. In an ecosystem there are number of food chains. There are different food chains. All the food chains are starting from the producers. So these producers are nothing but the grass, or that is the plants. So producers are the base of the ecosystem. So these producers are eaten by some animals. Now they are called as the consumers. They are the consumers. In the consumers, there are the herbivorous, there are primary carnivorous, there are secondary carnivorous, there are tertiary carnivorous. So number of different types of the consumers are there. So here, and so we can say that the primary consumer, the secondary consumer, the tertiary consumers. So this food chains starts from the producer, then the consumers, and then the different types of the consumers. So for the food, the consumers, here the primary consumers depend on the grass directly or indirectly. Then that primary consumers are eaten by the secondary consumers. That secondary consumers are eaten by the tertiary consumers. In this way, there are different food chains. If this food chain is aquatic, means it is in water, then food chain starts from the microscopic algae, that is the microscopic plants. So that microscopic plants are eaten by the microscopic animals like the cyclops, daphnia, these small animals. Now these small animals are eaten by the another types of the animals. So we can say these small animals are eaten by the small fishes. Then small fishes are eaten by the larger fishes, and larger fishes are eaten by the man or other animals. So this is one type of the food chain, aquatic food chain. Then in the terrestrial food chain, these grasses are eaten by the grasshopper. Grasshopper are eaten by the canotis or frog. That frog are eaten by the snakes. That snakes are eaten by the hawks. So there are different types of the food chains in an ecosystem. Now this is completed, food chains. Now you come to know what is the food chains. So food chains start from the producers, and the different types of the animals, they are eaten, they eat the grass or plants. So they are called as the herbivorous. Then herbivorous are eaten by the primary carnivorous. Primary carnivorous are eaten by the secondary carnivorous. Secondary carnivorous are eaten by the tertiary carnivorous. So this is one food chain. Now we will see here these food chains are different types. So we can say that the producer or the grass are eaten by the insects, and insects are eaten by the frog, FROG, frog. Now another one, this starts from the grass. This grass are eaten by the insects. In short, insects. Now insects are eaten by the frog, and frogs are eaten by the snakes. So these different types of the food chains are present in an ecosystem, and there is not a rule to follow the state food chain. So that food chains are complicated, entangled. Here we can say that grass are eaten by the insects, insects are eaten by the frog, frog are eaten by the snake. Frogs are directly eaten by the other animals other than snakes. So there is not fixed rule to follow the state food chains. So there is a complication, गुंतागुंती. कोणी कोणालाही खातो. मांसाहारी असेल तर तो छोट्या प्राण्याला खातो, मोठ्या प्राण्याला खातो. अशा गुंतागुंतीच्या ज्या अन्न साखळ्या तयार होतात. So that types of food chains are called as the food webs. Food webs. So the food webs. Now ecological pyramids. So here in ecological pyramids, pyramid, so it is like just like this triangle. At the base level, producers are more. Here producers are more. Then herbivores, then primary carnivores, then secondary carnivores, then tertiary carnivores. So at the base, this is a tower, and this tower is larger at the base, and it goes to the smaller and smaller. Means the biotic components, they are decreasing towards the top level. So producer is more. Then in comparison to the producers, the herbivorous animals, those are eating on the plants, they are less. Then primary carnivores, they are less in comparison to the herbivores. Then secondary carnivores, which eat the primary carnivores, they are less in comparison to the primary carnivores. So in this way the number and this is decreasing. So this is about the ecological pyramids. And last one is the energy flow. So this energy flows in this way. Energy flow in this way. From bottom to the top. So energy is more here. Then suppose here energy is 100%. Then when it transfer from one step to another step, 90% energy is lost. 90% is lost, goes in the loss, and only 10% is here. Means 90% goes to the waste, and only 10% goes into the next step of the energy flow. Then from this, again 90% waste means only 1% energy is gone. Now in this way, this energy goes to the 0.1 in this way. So when energy is flowed in the ecosystem from one step to other step, 90% is energy waste, and only 10% energy goes to the next step, next trophic level. Similarly, here is the 10, then from this 10, 90% energy waste, again this 90% energy is waste. So here 90% waste means only one energy is in the next step. In this way, energy flow means the flow of energy from one trophic level to the other trophic level, that is called as the energy flow. And when this energy flowing from one trophic level to other trophic level, 90% energy goes to the waste, and only 10% energy is in the next trophic level. So in this way energy flows. So here, dear students, I will like to conclude what we have studied in today's period, work from the home. So today we have studied the food chain, then we have studied the food web, then we have studied the ecological pyramid, then we have studied the energy flow. This food chain, food web, ecological pyramid and energy flow, this is the bits given in your syllabus. So what we have studied today, you have to write in the register and you have to give your attendance. After completing this paper, after completing this period, so you said, sir, period is attained or present, sir, means I will know that I will know those students or who are attend today's period. So dear students, due to the corona, this is the work from home, this is the online lecture. So when the government will give the permission of the open the college, then you come to the regular in the college. Now, as per your time, you come in the college, take your admission. So for today, this 4 bit is sufficient. Then after completing the unit first, I will send the PDF file notes. So from that PDF file, you open in your handset and write in your handwriting, in your register. So there is a study, your study. So for today it is sufficient, because on online lecture there is the limitation of the net, there is the limitation of the upload download. So today's period I declared it is on 8:30. Now I will send you. Okay, thank you. धन्यवाद.